Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn how to create dependent drop-down box without using VBA in 4 easy steps. In this example, the state names are displayed in the first drop-down and the corresponding city names are displayed into the second drop-down. So if I change the state name to Gujarat, the second drop-down will show the cities of Gujarat state. First, create your data in a separate sheet. So I have created a separate sheet called mapping city having the state name and the corresponding city names. In first drop down, we have to show all the state names. So write down all the state names in the first row in the separate sheet. So for an example, I'm adding one more state in the list called Bihar. After creating the state names, in each column, write the corresponding city name under each state. So for Bihar, I'm writing down the cities of Bihar state, Patna, Gaya, Muzaffarpur. In this way, you can prepare your data for the dependent drop-down options. After creating the data, in second step, we will define the relationship between state and the corresponding city name one by one. Select the data for the first column, press Ctrl Shift F3. It will open Create Names for Selection dialog box in which top row option is already selected. Keep it as is. Click OK button. Do the same step for all the remaining columns. So for Gujarat, select the data again. Control Shift F3. Click OK on Create Names from Selection. I have completed the same step for the remaining columns. To check whether all the column has been named, go to Formulas tab, select Name Manager. It will open Name Manager dialog box. Now in Name Manager, you will find all the state names under Name and the city names will be visible under Value. Click Close. To show the state name, select the cell. So I have selected cell C2 in which we will show the drop down having the state name. Go to Data tab, click on Data Validation. In Data Validation dialog box, under Settings tab, click Allow drop down and select List. Click on Source field, click on the sheet in which we have prepared the data and select the first row in which state names are mentioned. Click OK. After this, a drop down will be available at C2 and it will show all the state names. In the fourth step, we will create the dependent drop down. So select the cell where you want to show the corresponding city names. Go to Data tab, select Data Validation. In Data Validation dialog box, under Settings tab, click on Allow drop down and select List again. In the Source tab, type equals to indirect open bracket, write substitute open bracket, select the cell in which state names are displayed. So I'm selecting C2, comma, within double quotes, type single space, comma, within double quotes, type underscore, closing bracket for substitute, closing bracket for indirect, click OK. And cell C4 change to drop down. Click on C4, it will show the city name of Uttar Pradesh state. If I change the state to newly created Bihar, the city name will change to newly added cities. In this video, we have learned how we can create dependent drop-down options without using VBA in 4 easy steps. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share within your friends. Subscribe the channel and share your feedback, suggestions and queries in comment section in YouTube. Thank you.